So the way that substring works, right here, this is substring, is that we are going to pull from another string alphabetical, in this particular case, the alphabet. So I define two different strings, alphabet lower. So this contains all the lower level characters, and this has upper characters. I could have made this a little simpler, and I used the upper and lower case methods, but for our purposes, I just want you to get comfortable pointing to different strings to extract stuff. So we assign this first A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, element O, P, X, Y, Z, space. There's a space here, so we're going to use that. The next line has the full alphabet with the period plus a space. It's all capitalized. So then I define my name as a string. Then I start storing, I start building. Let's see what we're coming up with. So I'm saying alphabet.upper, substring, 9 to 10. So it says right here upper, so I'm going to look at upper. So if I start counting my position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going to say J. It's going to be J. So it's starting at J, going to K. But we know that with the substring, the first one position is inclusive and the second one is exclusive, which means it's not included. So all this is going to do is extract a J, a capital J. Then I've got my, I want to make it a different color. So it's going to be a J based on that. So then I'm can concatenate another substring function. It's going to be 14 to 15. But this time I'm taking it from the string called alphabet lower. So lower. So I'm going to go find 14. So I start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's going to be O to P. And we know that O is inclusive and P is exclusive because of that. So it's going to be O. Then we're going to go ahead and stay with lower and we're going to go 4 and 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do 27 to 28. So if you count, it's going to be lower. 1 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 27. Well, 27 has a space. It has a space. So what I'm going to have here is just a space. So continue, go ahead and program this, guys, and run it and show me what you get as output. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in your sheet. Good luck.